Basaviraj Bommai was sworn as Karnataka CM on Wednesday, thus bringing down to certain on weeks of political uncertainty in the state. Upset over incidents of tearing papers and throwing on the chair, and also on Minister Speaker Om Birla is contemplating suspension of at least 13 MPs belonging to the Congress and the TMC who have been identified as a repeat offenders. The Supreme Court on Wednesday erased the role of a speaker in the prosecution of an elected member accused of committing an offence with his house by ruling that police do not need the speaker's sanction to register FIRs for alleged criminal action of MPs or MLAs. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday cleared amendments to the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act, seeking to speed up payment for lenders such as PMC Bank, which had been placed under moratorium. 7 people died and many are feared missing in Hunzar village of Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district as a cloud burst swept away houses, a ration depot, a bridge and other property early Wednesday. Both houses of parliament on Wednesday passed crucial bills amid chaotic scene of disruption, adjournments and protests by opposition MPs over Pegasus issue, farm laws and price rise. While extending validity of its order seeking implementation of targeted and prompt action for COVID-19 management until August 31, the Home Minister on Wednesday asked states and union territories to ensure that there is no increase in reproduction number of the virus or R factor, particularly with the festival session around the corner. Stressing that uncanny kind of support of terrorism in a crime against humanity, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Wednesday said members of Shanghai Cooperation Organization must actively work together. The Supreme Court took a leaf out of the experience of House of Commons in the UK and announced enactment of law defining the contour of privilege and immunities to open a chink in the constitutional shield from prosecutions for MPs and MLAs for criminal act inside the house. Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana is shooting his next film awaited Dr. G in Bhopal currently, and he revealed that this in the first time he is shooting in the city of lakes.